Namaskar. I am Kulbhushan Sharma, NSS Program Officer, Government College Karsog, District Mandi, Himachal Pradesh. My presentation is about folk songs, music and dances of Himachal Pradesh under the Cultural Exchange Program between Himachal Pradesh and Kerala. Ek Bharat, Shresht Bharat. Himachal, the land of deities, is also known as Deva Bhumi, and people of the area have deep devotion and faith in their local deities. The state is said to be protected and sheltered by the power of numerous local deities. This beautiful state in northern India is nestled in western Himalayas. The state is landlocked with the Tibetan Plateau to the east, Jammu and Kashmir to the north, and Punjab to the west. Himachal Pradesh has its own identity for its rich culture of music and dance. It is the integral part of the life of the Himachalis. There is no classical form of music in this state, but plenty of folk music can be heard which are best performed by the people of a particular area. The folk songs of Himachal Pradesh lure through the green valleys. They are indirectly around daily chores and are a retreat after a hard day's work. The state of Himachal Pradesh encompasses within its vicinity many remote areas. Such areas use traditional ways of living far from the modern day hustle and bustle. For these simple people, simple are the ways of life, simple is their music. Most of the Himachalis folk songs require no such instruments to accompany. They are sung to the heart's delight that renders the uniqueness. The emotions burst out in them for making the songs soul touching. And the songs are sung in the oral tradition. Earlier, people used to sing in oral tradition what we call the Vachik Parampara, and they used to pass from one generation to the another. Sometimes, the songs are accompanied by dance, which may mean community dances too. Important festivals, rituals, fairs, and onset of seasons are perfect reasons for the beautiful rendering that is so peculiar to Himachal Pradesh. The tunes and melodies blend perfectly with the people and places as it reverberates through the mesmerizing landscape. The folk songs are full of charm. People gather in a circle in village fairs and dance to the tunes of these songs. The Himachal folk music is the greatest solace to the listeners. The Junju, Sukrat, Bhung and Rupshu songs echo through the Chamba Valley. The Mohna of Bilaspur, the Jhuri of Sirmaur, the Laman of Kullu, Gangi, Tape are commonly sung as love song. Dolru is a seasonal song. Bear Haran is ballad about warriors. Suhadiyan are songs sung at childbirth. Losi and Pakhar and Suhag songs are all family songs. Karak are songs of praise in honor of deities, and Alhani is a song of mourning. All these songs follow a specific style of singing, and the geographical facts have a deep impact on these. No matter what it is, the folk songs of Himachal Pradesh ultimately come out from the core of the heart of these simple people.
कंपनी रे बाबू वे तू मोई वे तू मोई अच्छरी है तू मोई वे कंपनी रे बाबू वे तू मोई वे तू मोई अच्छरी है तू मोई वे कंपनी रे बाबू वे तू मोई वे तू मोई
धूड़ू नचना ये जटाओ जटावो खलारी हो घोड़ो नचना जटावो खलारी
किने मारो राने मोना किने मारो रा मेरा रंग रूट फौजिया ले किने मारो रा
सोनी सोनी शिमलेरी सड़कां जिंदे हाय छैल छबिलियां सड़कां जिंदे काली घगरी ले आया ओ है काली घगरी ले आया काली घगरी ले आया
Laman song. Laman singing is popular in the Kullu Valley. These songs are related with the romantic love between men and women. The first line is only for rhyming with the second, and it is the second line which furthers the theme.
মানুষ কে রে মনরে यारी चली रे सिला दुखड़ो दिलालो ते रे खरे
Jhuri song. It's a typical song of Himachal Pradesh and is sung with fun, joy and merriment. It is basically a theme of extramarital romance. The word Jhuri itself literally means lover, beloved or sweetheart. These folk songs are very popular in Mahasu and Sirmaur. Jhuri is accompanied by a folk dance form called Jhumar and is danced only by the women folk. Both men and women together sing Jhuri. The songs and dance are performed only in the open space and attracts lot of gathering as the people assemble together to enjoy the interesting subject. Musical instruments which are frequently used by folk artists of Himachal Pradesh are Ranasingha, drums, karnal, turi, flute, ektara, kendari, jhanj, manjara, chimta, gharyal and ghungru. Drums. Now this is one of the most important instruments for the Himachalis. A variety of drums are played like dhol, dholku, dholki, nagada, damama, dhamangt, nagart, gajju, dhuru, hudak and dhosa. In the Kinnaur, Lahul, Pangi, Sirmaur and Kullu areas, drums of different shapes and sizes are played at different festivals. When we talk about wind instruments, Ranasingha, Karnal, Turi and flute or Bishudi, Algoja twin flutes, Shehnai or Pipni are popular wind instruments. Talking about the string instruments, Ektara, Kindari Dwatara, Gramyang or Rabab, Sarangi, Jomang, and Ruman are some stringed instruments commonly used by professional singers.
हरे दिल दा ठोकर ठेकना कितिया ते कितिया बुत परस्तियां
नौजमाना आई गया ए बुरा जमाना सुनाते भैणो सुनाते भाइयों गणेंद बट्टा टाई लिया सुनाते भैणो सुना गणेंद बट्टा कने घर घर डीजे कने घर घर डीजे ये ढिल्ली कुर्ती फिट पजामा नवा जमाना आई गया.
There is an exhaustive list of folk dances from Himachal that are still prevalent from each occasion to appease the Almighty. Some of the famous dances of Himachal Pradesh are Dangi, Chanak Chham, Jhanta, and the most popular, Nati. Chanak Chham. This dance is performed by the Buddhists in the monasteries and is performed once in 3 years. It is famous for its vivacious headgear, costumes, and masks. You can see in the picture how beautiful the headgear is. The theme of their costumes is yellow, black, and gold, and is made smooth and shiny. The headgear is called the chanak. Chanak Chham. This Himachal dance is a graceful dance in comparison with the other dances involving slow circular movements. Jhanta. This dance gives energy to the dancers and is said to make the dancers even bolder as they face the hardships in life. The dance form rejuvenates the dancers completely. Now, we come to the most popular form of dance in Himachal, Nati. There are various forms of this dance varying region by region amongst the folk dances from Himachal Pradesh. Some of the popular ones include the Kullu Nati, the Kinnori Nati, Gaddi Nati, Shimla Nati, and so on. Kinnori Nati is performed during the new festival. The dancers portray the bucolic nature of the hills, trees, and the smooth flowing rivers. Kullu Nati. Kullu Nati is the most popular one. It has about 13 forms and is predominantly performed during the festival of world-famous Dashehra. The dancers wear colorful tunics and sway to the rhythm of the music. The dance is performed for hours together till the dancers and the orchestra have their energy drained out.
Pamani तंबूगे अंदर बुला दे ये मेरी ममनी बुला तंबूगे
The Nati folk dance of Kullu district has made a world record by entering the Guinness Book of World Records as the largest folk dance in the world on October 26, 2015 with 9,892 dancers. And the number was quite astonishing that got registered, and it was 13,000. But on the final day, only 9,892 dancers could participate in the dance. There are many dance forms in Himachal that are quite popular, like Thoda, war dance representing Kaurva and Pandava, then Chohara in Mahasu, Ghee, and Mala dance, Bhura and Sena in Jubal. And there are many dances in Lahol Spiti, Shand, Shabu, and other forms. In modern times, there are many singers who have made a mark at the national level and international level, and they have taken the dance forms and the folk music to a newer heights. The folk song Chamba Kitni Dur has become quite popular, and many singers like Neha Kakkar and Harshdev Kaur have rendered their voices to this song. Chamba Kitni Dur is a Himachali folk song. It is a simple and pure song about love. Here, a girl is asking her mother how far Chamba is, because that is where her beloved lives.
चंबा कितनी दूर है माए ने मेरी शिमले दिरा है चंबा कितनी दूर शिमले निवसना कसौली निवसना शिमले निवसना कसौली निवसना चंबे जाना जरूर है चंबे जाना जरूर.
In every region and every place, there are songs which become quite popular. Like we have Kangri mashup, which is quite popular in Kangra, and it caters to the interest and taste of the youth also.
कपड़े धुआं छम छम रोआ कुंजुआ बीच बटन निशानी के बीच बटन निशानी सोने ओ बुदुआ मामा गाड़ा टुआ गोडे लाई दे मेरे तेला तेला ओ बुदुआ मामा गाड़ा टुआ गोडे लाई दे मेरे तेला छोशिया दिला
सबना दा रखवाला वो शिव जी डमरुआ वाला जी डमरुआ वाला ऊपर कैलाश रहंदा भोलेनाथ जी शंभो तरमिया जो तार दा शिव जी पापिया जो मारदा जी पापिया जो मारदा बड़ा ही दयाल मेरा भोले अमली
महादेवा तेरा डमरू डम 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 बजतो जाए रे हो महादेवा
That's all I have tried to deal here about the music, dance, and folk songs of Himachal. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you. Spread the cheer.
महादेवा
Namaskar. Welcome to Devbhoomi, Himachal Pradesh. Under the exchange cultural program, under the banner Ek Bharat Shresht Bharat, I take this opportunity to share the culture of state in terms of folk dance, folk songs and musical instruments. As we know that culture is dynamic. Culture of any region represents temporal dynamism in society. Culture transmits the tradition of old generation to the new generations. Various culture streams have enriched the art forms in the state in wake of numerous migration. Social landscapes and geographic setup play an important role in understanding the cultural, particularly of folk dances and songs of any region. In this map, Himachal location can be traced on the national map. Himachal Pradesh is largely mountainous area as seen in the map. Districts from west side to the southeast, that is Kangra, Unna, Bilaspur, Solan and southern Sirmaur are roughly plain. In contrast to the northern, Kangra, Chamba, Lahol Spiti, Kinnaur, Kullu, Mandi, Shimla and northern Sirmaur. Mountains topography plays important role to keep folk culture distinctive and unique. As seen in the map, HP shares boundary with the J&K in the north and northwest, Punjab in the southwest, Haryana in south, Uttarakhand in southeast and Tibet in the east. And these neighboring states have great impact on the dances of adjoining areas. This dance generally performed by Khund people. Khund people is martial people of any area. When they go to fair, they go on in a group to show the strength. On the way to the fairs, they go with dhol beats, blowing up trumpets, locally called karnal, and dance up and down, shouting chivalrous deeds. Every dancer holds either sword or axe, locally called dangru, stick, handkerchief, tree branches or any other. This is Cham dance, performed by Buddhist monks known as lamas in the courtyard of monasteries during religious and other festivals. Cham dance, known for the elaborate mask and costumes. It is believed that this dance is performed to eliminate devil spirits and demons. This dance is very famous in the area of Lahol Spiti district of the state. This solo dance, called Gee, usually performed in Sirmaur district. This dance is also performed in the southern Shimla district area. Such dance is usually performed during marriage ceremony. People gather around a space left for one or two persons to sing along with dance. As seen in the visuals, one old man is dancing and singing. The people play dholak, khanjri instruments and sing in chorus. People also offer money to praise the skills of dancers. Mala dance. Mala dance is performed in Sirmaur district of the state during Diwali, usually in the courtyard of temple. People of neighboring village area locally gather to watch this peculiar dance. In Mala dance, dancers form one or two circles while dancing in a symmetric steps, synchronized with the dhol beats played by accompanist in the middle, as seen in the visuals. Such dance is popular in northern Sirmaur area and the southern Shimla district area of the state. Mala dance performed during Budi Diwali has immense attraction and popularity. Thoda dance is like an act of sports of archery played between two groups of Rajputs known as Khash. Two groups of Khashya relate themselves with Pandavas and Kauravas. Descendants of the Pandavas termed themselves as Pashi, and descendants of Kauravas identify themselves Shati. This dance is actually representation of war fought with the bows and arrows. In the Chamba district, many dances are of peculiar nature, attractive and unique. Among them, Gaddi dances and Jhanjar dance is one of highlighted and popular among the local. The Jhanjar dance of Chamba Bharmar is very famous, besides the Gaddi dance. In this dance, love ballads are sung and slow dance is performed on the beats of dholak, flute, khanjri. Among the instruments, accompanists also play a unique platter put on the pot. Men dress up with woolen clothes, locally called loya, and women wear ornaments with beautiful chola attire. Such dance usually performed in the marriages, on the occasion of marriages, and also in the festivals. This is Buraha dance. Buraha dance is famous group dance of Sirmaur. And unique thing is here, the musical instrument played is called hudki. Damaru like instrument is called hudki. So sometime this dance is also termed as hudak dance. In this dance, ballads dedicated to the heroic deeds in the battle won in the bygone days are sung. This popular folk song performance is unique to the southern Chamba and northern Kangra district along the Dholadhar mountain. In this performance, a traditional dressed man sings a sarcastic attack on the cones of modernity. The song is accompanied with badana instrument and khanjri instrument.
अपना घर भी संभाली लिया अपना टबरू संभाली लिया मर्द सयल वेले फिर दे संजा जो यदिया मंगाई लिया मर्द सयल वेले फिर दे संजा जो यदिया संभाली लिया
Devbhoomi Kullu exhibits many popular dance forms. One of the Kullu's popular dance, phrased as Pride of Kullu, was performed on October 26, 2015 during Dashera festival at historic Dhalpur ground of the Kullu town. This dance set a Guinness World Record for the largest Nati dance by around 10,000 people, majority were the women. Dancers mostly performed a rhythmic traditional Nati on the same beat. Other dances of the Kullu Valley are also famous and known as Khrayat, Fili, Ludi, Bathda, Barshri, etc. In the present scenario, youth of the state has nurtured the traditional folk with advanced musical instrument, and same is in the case noticed in the Mandi district. Such folk songs and dances are being liked widely in the state. In this visual, such popular folk belongs to Siraj Valley of district Mandi. Here some traditional instruments have been shown like karnal, ransinga, dhol, etc. These instruments are integral part of the folk music of the state, particularly in Kullu, Siraj Valley, Mandi district, Shimla, Sirmaur. This is popular Nati of Sirmaur, in which some skilled lady picks up handkerchiefs from mouth without touching hand and without shaking their head, and man in backside rotates thali on their finger. Sometimes this Nati is also called thali dance. This dance has gained its popularity in the whole Sirmaur district, in the Shimla district, popular instruments like dhol, dholka, damano, karnal, shehnai, drums are instruments played during various forms of dances in the state. Jhamakda dance. Jhamakda dance is a folk dance of Kangra. It is exclusively performed by women. It features percussion instruments and songs, festive attires.
नमस्कार। हिमाचल प्रदेश अर्थात देवभूमि हिमाचल। हिमाचल प्रदेश में भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार की संस्कृतियां हैं। उन्हीं संस्कृतियों में से एक संस्कृति है हमारी गद्दी संस्कृति। गद्दी संस्कृति की जड़ें चंबा भ्रमौर से जुड़ी हुई है। संस्कृति खुद में एक बहुत बड़ा विषय है। इसी संस्कृति का एक आवश्यक हिस्सा है नाटी। तो आज हम शहीद कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा कॉलेज पालमपुर के एनएसएस यूनिट के वॉलेंटियर्स आपके सामने अपनी संस्कृति गद्दी नाटी की एक छोटी सी झलक प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। धन्यवाद।
ओ
हो जांदरा मरे तू सुन भला गदनी है किया रहना ऊंचे या पहाड़ा हो जांदरा मरे तू सुन भला गदनी है किया रहना ऊंचे या पहाड़ा हो जांदरा मामू किया रहना मेरे गदिया गदी मेरा चंबेरी धारा हो जांदरा मामू किया रहना मेरे गदिया गदी मेरा चंबेरी धारा हो जांदरा मरे तू सुन भला गदनी है किया रहना ऊंचे या पहाड़ा हो जांदरा मरे तू सुन भला गदनी है किया रहना ऊंचे या पहाड़ा हो ऊंचे या पहाड़ा मेरी गदनी है बड़ा ठंडड़ा एड़ी पानी हो किया रहना ऊंचे या पहाड़ा मेरी गदनी है बड़ा ठंडड़ा एड़ी पानी हो बड़ा ठंडड़ा बुला पानी मेरे गदिया दुरू है भरी भरी पीना हो बड़ा ठंडड़ा बुला पानी मेरे गदिया दुरू है भरी भरी पीना हो जांदरा मरे तू सुन भला गदनी है किया रहना ऊंचे या पहाड़ा हो जांदरा मरे तू सुन भला गदनी है किया रहना ऊंचे या पहाड़ा हो हाय गली चके चके चके
सुखियानु